Hello everyone. In this lecture, I would like to discuss some different questions, some different tricky and conceptual questions which were given in previous IIT exams. First question, the decomposition of A and B obeys first order with half-life 54 and 18 minutes respectively. If A naught equal to B naught, then after how much time the ratio of concentration of A and B will be 4:1. This is the question given to you. So check the answer. For a first order reaction, A gives rise to products. So A gives rise to products. This is the expression now. Concentration of A after some time t is given by A naught, means initial concentration into e power minus kt. This is the direct equation for the first order reaction. Okay, check the question, decomposition of A and B. So for decomposition of A, At equal to A naught e power minus k1t. For decomposition of B, Bt equal to B naught e power minus k2t, equation number 1 and equation number 2. Just divide 1 by 2 gives this by this, giving rise this and this one. I have cancelled A naught and B naught because check the question. In the question it is clearly mentioned A naught equal to B naught. So just cancelled out. Finally e power k2 minus k1 into t. So it is again given question. Now this is the question. How much time, after how much time the ratio of the concentration of A and B will be 4:1, means A by B concentration equal to 4 by 1. So if At by Bt equal to 4 by 1, this is from the question. At this condition, how much time will be taken? So 4 equal to e power k2 minus k1t. Applying the log on both sides, ln 4 equal to k2 minus k1 into t equal to ln 4 by k2 minus k1 equal to ln 4 value 1.386. How will you get? Do you know how to calculate? ln 4 equal to ln 2 square equal to 2 into ln 2. Again 2 into 2.303 into log 2. 2 into 2.303 into what is the log value? 0.3010. Just to calculate, you will get ln 4 value. I hope that you know the math, simple logarithms, how to operate. So next k2 and minus k1. This is the very crucial step here. K2, what is mentioned here? 0.693 by 18. How? Because check the question again. First order. A and B obeys first order. So first order, what is the k equal to 0.693 by t of. So 0.693 by t of k2 represents B. So B का t of value देखिए यहाँ 18 minutes. So 18 minus 0.693 by 54. This is of the A. Okay. So finally after calculation, you will get t equal to 54 minutes. Okay friends. Procedure is given to you here. You can check. Next question we will see. Yes. For a reaction A2 plus B2 gives rise to 2AB. Evaluate energy of activation from the following data. So this is the reaction given to you. आपको चाहिए evaluate energy of activation, means we have to calculate EA. Okay, this is the data: temperature 500 and 200 Kelvin, 1 by T value and log 10 K. Log K value is given. This is the data given to you. Okay, 1 by T and log K, already we have one formula, Arrhenius equation. Log K equal to log A minus EA by 2.303 RT. Okay, y equal to mx plus the format. Graph is drawn between log K, which is taken on y-axis, and 1 by T taken on x-axis. In this case, we will get slope equal to minus EA by 2.303 R. It is fixed. all of you studied already in the case of Arrhenius equation, slope equal to minus a by 2.303 r. Okay, leave that one. But data is given to you, that means we have to draw a graph. From the mathematics again, when we have two coordinates x1 y1 and x2 y2, how can you calculate the slope? Slope equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is the basic slope calculation. So already slope we have minus a by 2.303 r. Minus a by 2.303 into r is taken in calories here, 2 calories, equal to y2 minus y1. So which is taken on y-axis? Log k values. So y2 minus y1, 3 minus 2 by x2 minus x1. So which is taken as the x? 1 by t. So x2 minus x1. Okay. This is the procedure. You will get some value. After calculation, you will get EA equal to 1.54 into 10 power 3 calories. Okay, students. You can check after some time. Next. Yes. Third problem. Check here. For a plus B gives rise to C plus D, delta H equal to 20 kilojoule per mole. The activation energy of a forward reaction is 85 kilojoule per mole. Calculate EA for backward reaction. In this case, first check the reaction. Reaction delta H equal to 20 means forward reaction is endothermic. How do you know endothermic? Because delta H is positive value, means we are supplying some amount of heat energy. Okay, so for endothermic reaction, this is the formula direct. Delta H equal to activation energy of the forward reaction minus activation energy of the backward reaction should be positive. So this is equal to 20. We need what we have to calculate. Check the question. Forward reaction is given 85. Yes, this is for the forward 85 minus 20. Finally, we are getting 65 kilojoule per mole. If it is exothermic, for example, same question, if it is exothermic reaction, then it should be negative value. It should be negative. Okay. Next question. Yes. Students, be careful here. Question is very big here. But check, all these are previous IIT questions, descriptive questions actually. So try to understand the procedure. So in next video we will solve some objective type questions. So yes, see the question. A forward reaction A to B requires activation energy of 70 kilojoule per mole. Activation energy is given to you. When 20% solution of A was kept at 25 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes, 25% decomposition takes place. This is the first line. What will be the percentage decomposition in the same time in a 30% is maintained at 40 degrees centigrade? Assume that activation energy remains constant in this range of temperature. Student, actually, first of all, difficult to understand the question in this case. Question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 lines are available here. So when you don't understand the question, try to read 1 or 2 more times. So activation energy is given, not a problem. When activation energy is given, means we are supposed to use yes Arrhenius equation. But here this meaning is very important. This one, wait a minute. Yes, 20% solution of A was kept at 25 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes. The meaning is that means you should have this some minimum idea about solutions, percentage calculations. 20% solution of A means, okay, that means solution, let 100 grams of solution is present. In that 100 gram, 20 gram of A is present. So here 20% of solution of A means we have, what is the A value here? Yes, A equal to 20. A equal to 20. Similarly here also 30% is maintained. Now we will see what will happen. Yes, given A gives rise to B, 20% solution of A means let 20 gram of A present in 100 gram of solution. Let take it 20 grams or 20 units, whatever. Initial amount A equal to 20. A, okay, but we need A minus X because we have the formula K equal to 2.303 by T into log A by A minus X. So A is present, we need A minus X, means amount remaining. So A minus X equal to, for 20 minutes 25% is decomposition takes place. When 25% is decomposition is taking place, so how much is left? 100 minus 25%, 75% of A is remaining. Okay, so A minus X equal to 20 into 70 by 100 equal to 15. So we have A value, we have A minus X 15 value, and a time is given 20 minutes. Now calculate rate constant at 25 degrees centigrade. Just I have substituted all the values. So this is the rate constant value at 25 degrees centigrade, 0.0144 minute inverse. Minute inverse. Question has not been completed. Next. Yes. Now log 10. Yeah, check the question at 25 degrees and at 40 degrees centigrade. So apply the formula log 10 K40 by K25 EA by 2.303 R 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. Okay, so EA value I have substituted. EA is mentioned here in joules, 10 power 3 joules. Okay, so R equal to, it is also joules, 8.314. Remaining I have substituted here. So final K40 equal to 0.05575 minute inverse, because already K25 has been calculated earlier. K25 equal to 0.0144 minute inverse already we calculated. Just we are substituting this value in this area, in this one. So we are getting K40. Okay, again applying same reversing the question now. Now suppose amount M is left in 30% solution in 20 minutes at 40 degrees centigrade. Okay, 30% solution of B means, of A means equal to 30. A minus X we don't know. We don't know because decomposition is not given here. We have to calculate the decomposition, percentage of decomposition. So let A minus X equal to M. So K40 equal to 2.303 by T log A by A minus X. K40 already we have calculated here. Yes, it has been substituted. T 20 minute, log A 30, A minus X, M we don't know. So M 9.838. So percentage of decomposition equal to A minus M by A into 100. 30 minus 9.838 by 30 into 100 equal to 67.21 percentage. Okay, I hope that you have understood. If you don't understand, again watch the video. Okay students, next. Yes, next question. The rate of first order reaction is 0.04 mole per liter inverse second inverse at 10 minutes. So first order reaction is given, rate value at 10 minutes, rate value is given to you, and 0.03 mole liter inverse second inverse at 20 minutes after initiation. Find half-life of a reaction. First, this is the rate equal to K into A. Why K into A? A power 1, because in the question it is clearly mentioned that it is a first order reaction. So rate equal to K into A. Rate equal to 0.04 Ka at 10 minutes. Just I am converting the data into the equations. 0.03 equal to k into a power 20. Clear? Okay. But k is constant for a reaction. Already you know. Already we learned. K is a constant for a reaction. Okay. So now when k is a constant, this by this gives 4 by 3 equal to a by a minus x. Because a at 10 minute, a at 20 minute, we have to consider this is our starting point at 10 minute, at 20 minute. Here we are not discussing at initial position. Okay, so just take this is as a initial 10 minute. After 10 minute is a value, and after 10 minute means at 20 minutes again it is a minus x value. So a by a minus x. Focus on at 10 minute to at 20 minute what is happening. This is important. Okay, so 10 minute to 20 minute बीच में what is the time? 10 minute. 10 minute. So take the formula, substitute all the values what you have. We are getting 0.0288 minute inverse. Okay, finally we have derived the k value, but what we have to calculate? T of equal to 0.693 by k. 0.693 by k value substitute कीजिए है, आपको अभी मिल जाएगा आंसर T of equal to 24.04 minute. Okay students, next question we will see. Yes, the progress of the reaction A equilibrium NB with time is presented in the figure. Determine the value of N, the equilibrium constant K, and the initial rate conversion of the A. First one, value of N. Check here. This is the time actually. I forgot here to mention. This is the time. After 1 hour, this is the 0 time. After 1 hour, A 0.6 to 0.5 means how much decreases? 0.1 decrease. At the same time B 0 to 0.2 means how much increased? 0.2 means here within an hour here decrease 0.1. At the same time B 0.2 increasing. Okay, so decrease concentration of A in first hour 0.1, increase concentration of B in first hour 0.2, 0.1 mole of A changes to 0.2 moles of B, means B value we are getting double. B equal to, here also check, you can check here also double. So final N equal to 2, because if it is 0.1 you are getting 0.2, means if it is 1 N will be 2. So N equal to 2 is clear. Equilibrium constant we have to calculate. Equilibrium constant, I hope that you learned in 11th science how to write the equilibrium expression. Kc equal to, check the left hand side, right hand side, product side, take the product concentration. What is the stoichiometric coefficient here? 2. So B power 2, because already we are getting here 2 by A. So equilibrium, this is very important here. Why I have substituted 0.6 exactly here, 0.3 here? This is important because Kc means equilibrium constant. But where equilibrium is existing here, this is not equilibrium, decreasing and increasing. But exactly, yes, check, yes. Yes, at the 5th hour, there is no change. At the same time, here also there is no change. Means equilibrium is existing after 5 hours. Okay, so we have to check the values after 5 hours. 5 hours, what is the value of the B here? 0.6. And A value, look at, this is the B value. B value how much? 0.6. What about the A value? This is the A value 0.3. Just substitute. Now Kc equal to 1.2 mole per liter. Initial rate of conversion of A equal to initial rate of conversion means take within a 1 hour. 1 hour में 0.1 decrease 0.1 mole liter inverse and hour inverse. During the first hour we have to calculate. Okay. Yes. Next question is given. Check the answer. You can understand. I hope that. For a 2a plus b plus c excess products, calculate rate expression units of rate constant effect of on rate if concentration of A is doubled and of B is tripled. So read the question and try to calculate. Actually for elementary some error is there in the question actually, because just take it is an elementary reaction. Consider it is an elementary reaction. Now you can proceed. Excess is present. When excess is present, generally we neglect the excess, the reactant. Already we studied in case of the pseudo first order reactions. Okay, rate equal to this is given. Check rate, everything is available here. You can calculate. Next, rate constant is numerically same. Yes, rate constant is numerically same for three reactions of first, second and third order respectively. Which reaction should be fastest and is the true for all ranges of concentrations? Answer is available here. Consider the reaction. R1 equal to K into A power 1 for first order. First power 1. Second order power is 2. Third order 3. Okay. But in the question it is clearly given K is same for all orders. That means here all K's are same. No different cases are aware. You can see here. If A equal to 1, if A 1, 1, 1, then R1 equal to R2 equal to R3. This is the first case. If concentration of A less than 1, when it is less than 1, you will get this is the order. When concentration of A greater than 1, then you will get this one. Okay. All these are descriptive questions. Try to solve this. Try to solve this type of questions, then only you can solve objectives very quickly. Next,